everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today we'll be seeing about the Omicron variant. So this will be a very short video. So what we'll see in this video is that we'll see about the Omicron variant and the current scenario of the variant and how will it impact the upcoming NEET exam. So if you see, as we all know, the Omicron variant started in South Africa. So the first case was detected on 24 November 2021 at South Africa. So the Omicron name was given by WHO on 26 November of 2021, and the first case in India was noted at 1st December 2021. So as we have all know that the virus, why is this virus very different compared to the previous viruses? It's because this variant of coronavirus has more than 30 mutations, especially in the spike protein, where most of the vaccines are working. So there was a bit consent which came up. Will the vaccine be effective or not for this? So with the recent studies, what we have seen is that patients getting Omicron variant who are vaccinated, the effect of the virus is not really severe in those patients. So what else do we have to know is that we'll have to know about the current scenario. So if you see in South Africa, the cases of COVID-19 are rising, but the deaths seen in the cases are still stable, and the are not rising. So which is a good thing to know. But if you see in India, so the cases are stable till now. So there's no really a big rise in cases seen, and the deaths due to Omicron variant, if you see, this virus has spread in more than 50 countries, and not even one death from Omicron variant has been noted till now. So the Omicron variant, the recent information that we are getting is that the virus is not very dangerous, and as we all know, it was said to be transferring from one person to another, spreading from one person to another very rapidly, and which is quite true. But the deaths noted are still zero for this variant. And especially in India, if you see, more than 70%, generally in Indian population now, right now, more than 70% people are having antibodies to COVID-19, either through the vaccine or by having COVID previously. So which is really good news, because if more than 70% having antibodies with them, so the spread and the severity of the virus is not going to be very severe. So this is a good news actually. So some of the vaccine companies recently said that giving a third booster shot will help also. So but till now there's no proper guidelines of using the third dose as a booster by WHO. And as we all know, this is about the Omicron variant. And if you see, if this variant is going to affect the upcoming NEET PG exam, that is to be held on March 12. But as of now, the chances of lockdown is not very high. So the variant is also looking quite safe. So the lockdown chances are less as of now, but we'll have to see the upcoming virus trends. How is it going in the month of December? By January, we'll get a clear idea. As of now, what we think is that because of this Omicron variant, the chances of NEET PG being postponed are very low. So that was all about today about the Omicron variant and its current scenario and its affect is it and its relation with the NEET PG upcoming NEET PG exams. So that was all for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.